Assalamu alaikum, Pyare Hazur. My name is Sabi Saleh Chaudhry and I am 14 years old. I am in the Southern Jamaat in Beit Sapan region. My question is, as Ahmadi Muslims, we believe in the promised Messiah Islam, but those who do not believe in him, will they be held accountable?
You see, Hazrat Masih Islam has said that there are quite a number of people who do not believe in the prophets, but you will not be punished in this world only because you did not believe in the prophet. But if you are doing bad things at the same time, along with not disbelieving, then you will be punished in this world as well and the hereafter. And you will be held accountable for committing all these bad things. But in the hereafter, Allah Ta'ala says that I will ask these people, when I sent these prophets, why did not you believe them? They will try to make so many excuses. And all excuses will be just lame and flimsy excuses. Right? Allah will not accept them. And they will have to pass through the punishment. So obviously, yes, those who do not believe in any of the messenger whom Allah Ta'ala has sent will be held accountable for not believing them.
Jazakallah.